I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright, what up, y'all? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy back again, another video, and today we doing maintenance on the Harley. So I was getting ready to, for the last ride, I didn't know when the last ride, I guess I heard a little something of a sound, then which made me think about like, okay, need to check my maintenance, and I can't remember the last time we did the oil change. So then I can't remember. I mean, it's too long. Going forward, I'm gonna just make sure I put it in my phone on a note. I feel like I missed one, but I don't know. So we're just gonna do all 3 holes and then record that mileage, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna put it into the garage so I can get it up on a easy level surface. Pump it up, change the oil. We're supposed to be riding tonight, so I really ain't got that much time. So we're gonna make this quick and fast and furious, no pun intended. All right, let's see here. So we got both of them holes draining, as you can see there. This is gonna be your transmission and your ISO oil. Transmission wasn't that dark. Oil, as you can see, dark as shit, spade, ace of spades. So like I said, we're gonna get it all taken care of. All right, so I don't know exactly where my little thing is at to slide up under here when I take the oil filter off. So I seen somebody do like a piece of foil. So basically what I'm gonna do, I've already kind of cracked it loose. So I'm gonna slide it right up under there, and then most of the oil will get on the foil and it won't leak all on those small parts of the bike. All right, so we got the filter taken off. I got one of the ones where you clean it out with brake cleaner. So we sprayed it off real good. I'll spray out the inside, get that cleaned up real good, and then that can go back together. Didn't do the best job with the foil, but we'll live. Spray it out with some brake cleaner, keep it pushing. Let me finish getting this cleaned up, put back together, and we'll move forward. All right, it's just like that. We back in action. We rolling. They gonna meet up with the guys. Saw the red. Yeah, so second ride with bumps. It wasn't a short ride. We actually hit the highway at a higher speed. Hit some bumps, hit some traffic, highway back. So how did the second ride compare to the first ride?
The second ride was easily better because it was like longer. And you had like more turns.
So you feel like you have more time to kind of get used to it? Okay. How were the bumps?
Not that bad.
Not that bad. I told you, like, after, especially when you get up to speed and going over them, like, they don't feel as bad. Like, I feel like sometimes when you go slower over a bump, like, it makes the bump worse. But if it's in the neighborhood, then it's understandable. So, yeah, nice little ride. Went to the range. Here, get your targets. Yeah.